news is hard to come by, but not anymore, especially if you watch the award-winning show Newport News in Review, a monthly show that takes you from one end of the city to the other and focuses on a wide variety of positive things going on right here in your city. Stories dealing with departments, services, and initiatives, big announcements, in-depth features, a sneak peek at exciting exhibits and happenings at your local attractions, and the opportunity to look at some spectacular events and festivals from a whole new perspective. So, see what all the excitement is about here in the city of Newport News with Newport News in Review every month, right here on Newport News TV.